G'day everyone, thanks for joining me for another Catch Pro video. Okay, so today, new product, we have the backpack blower covers and the whippersnipper hedge trimmer covers. Okay, so we have the trimmer covers in orange and black, and we do have these in camo, as you can see, along with orange and black as well. So as you can see guys, with the backpack blowers, this will protect. This is an old rig, by the way, but this will protect, you know, if we get the storms and you got this in the back of the ute, you can simply bung this over to keep this all protected. It has a drawstring at the bottom you can pull tight to keep the moisture out. Same thing if guys have their whippersnippers, hedge trimmers, combi units, doesn't matter if you're using Shindewa, STIHL, Echo, Kawasaki, whatever it is. These, look, I think, at least in my experience, I actually think that the sun is just as harsh as the rain. So keeping the moisture out of your carbies and in through your throttle cables, all of that stuff is really going to help the machine's life, along with the sun hitting the fuel lines. You know, weakens the fuel lines. In fact, you'll even see here, this is probably a machine that we've been running for a couple of years, and as you can see, the sun is just belts down on these things. So these are on the website now. I think this is a good little thing to grab before Christmas, because you know we're not even in summer yet and it's really freaking hot. I'd love to see, we have these in our business now. I'd love to see all the contractors, you know, around Australia getting around with all this stuff to help protect their machinery. It actually makes all your machinery look better as well. So not only will it perform better, it will look better. So, you know, when potential clients and stuff see you getting around, you know, you don't just look like another cowboy. So get on the website, guys. Get amongst this stuff. It's really great stuff. Have a look. We have the Darwin script, as always, and a bunch of other things on there. We will be getting some more products in the new year, so stay tuned for all that. Thanks, guys.